Hey, my name's James Rocco with RedCritter. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your RedCritter account to Google Glass. It's a pretty easy process. All you need are a pair of these Google Glasses, a Google account registered to the glasses, and then just a free RedCritter.com account, which I just created right here. Really the only thing I did was swap out my profile photo, which you can do right there. But what I want to focus on is the Publish and Share button. We allow you to publish your accomplishments to multiple social networks. The same way you would connect to LinkedIn, Yammer, Twitter, or Facebook, you would connect to Google Glass. So you'll notice a connect link under the Glass logo. Click that. If you're already logged into Google, all you have to do is click accept. And then you can actually customize the items that you want to show up in your Google Glass. So you can select all for your professional achievements and also all for your personal achievements. So everything that happens to your profile, you're going to get a Google Glass alert, which is pretty cool. All right, so if you did that right, you should see up in your display here an alert pop in. There it is right there. That's the Glass Explorer badge. That basically signals that you've connected it successfully. So now, swipe down. I'm going to show you how to create your own app and your own badge and award them the exact same way. First, you'll notice also on my profile here, if I refresh that, you'll see that this badge is now there. That's the Glass Explorer badge. Super cool. Simply go to RedCritterConnecter.com. So what's really cool about RedCritter Connector is that you can create your own badges, certs, skills, and award them using our open APIs. And everything's REST-based, so it's very easy to do. So let's say you want to give a badge to your coworkers or friends. This is the process you'd go through. If you don't already have a RedCritter Connector account, you can get one for as little as $9.99 a month. But I already have an account, so I'll just sign in. So once you're logged in, we'll just create a new app for this demo. We'll call it Google Glass. Once you're ready, just click Create New App. There's a lot you can customize here, but for now, you're pretty much done. Just click Save. Now, let's create a badge. So you see this big New button on the bottom left. Hit New, Badge, and we'll call this the Top Performer Badge. So under the badge configuration page, first thing you should do is swap out that badge graphic. You can upload any PNG image with an alpha channel. Once you have your graphic uploaded, you can move it, resize it, really make it look good inside of this area. And you'll notice we add reflections, we make it a consistent look across all of your achievements. We also allow you to change the colors if you wanted to spice it up a little bit. That looks good. Just click Next. You can preview your badge at a few different sizes. Click Next once again, and now that's what your badge looks like. If you click Save down there, your badge is saved. There's a few more options down here, which you feel free to play around with. Basically a lot of logic that you can set in Connector that would override any API calls that you might be making. Just go back here, let's check to make sure, yep, there it is right there. So my Top Performer badge is there. So now what I want to do is actually award this badge to the account that I just created through RedCritter. To do that, let's pop on over to the Learn page on RedCritterConnecter.com. If I go to this API reference, you'll see we have an award badge API call here, and you can actually get some more details on it right there. What I'm going to do is just copy this URL string, and I'm going to open up Notepad to make this easy. I'll paste that right there. So you'll notice there's a few variables that I need to replace here. My secret key, which is actually listed in RedCritter Connector. If I go to my settings, you'll see this access key down here. Just simply double click that. We can copy that and then go back to your desktop, and we'll swap out secret key, profile entity. Here you need to add the email address of the person you want to send the badge to, and the badge name, Top Performer. So now what's going to happen when I paste this into a browser, it's going to give me a JSON response. Well, let's try that out. I'll just throw that URL in there, and you'll see that we did get a JSON response. I don't need to open that because I'm pretty sure I know what it looks like. So you want to check your inbox. You should have an invitation to join the new app that you just created, just like you see here. So if I click add to my profile and then just type in my credentials, you'll notice that my profile just updated with this new top performer badge. And I should see it once again pop up in my display. There it is right there. That looks pretty cool. So that's the badge that I just created. And it's right there in my Google display, which is pretty awesome. You know, pretty much any feature in RedCritter Connector, from badges to search to skills, can all be published to your Google Glass display. So you can create a really cool interactive experience for all of your employees, whether it be a call center, sales team, sky's the limit. So as always, thanks for watching these videos. I'll see you in the next one.